Thank you everyone for coming in on Friday and seeing the orientation and kind of walking through the details of the course and seeing how things work. This week, we have a couple of different things that we're going to do. First, make sure you're aware that the last day to drop with no W on your transcript is Sunday, September 8th. If you don't drop before then, you will get a grade at the end of the semester. It'll either be a W if you drop after that, or whatever grade you earn. Okay. I will get the Unit 1 groups finalized, and they will be located right here. There'll be a link. I'll also send you an email, so check your email to see what your group mates are. Remember that the group work is due on Thursday. So take the time to meet with your group early in the week so that you have time to collaborate and agree on your assignment before you submit that Thursday night. From this point forward, it's only necessary for one person in the group to submit the assignment. So if there's somebody who feels comfortable with uploading and scanning material, they can submit for the next 3 weeks. The Week 2 preview questions can be found right here. Again, I don't expect you to learn the content before you take the preview questions. The idea is to help you to understand what you should be looking at, maybe what you should be reading more carefully, where your potential mistakes are going to come in, and you're not getting credit for getting the answers right. You're getting credit for attempting the questions. Okay, so it's not necessary for you to get them right. There is no grade associated with right answers, only the attempt. The group work assignment can be found here, and as well as the submission location. This is a tough week, probably one of the 2 or 3 toughest weeks of the semester. I know and I understand that nobody likes word problems, but word problems are a part of every test that we take, and every course that you take from this point forward will continue to have word problems in it. So let's work to try to figure out how to make those easier for you to understand and easier for you to solve. Okay. This first section on formulas will become important again in Chapter 3. The word problems introduction, take note that there is a homework assignment that is not in my math lab, and it is embedded at the bottom of this page. So if you open this page up and you scroll down to the bottom, Word Problems Part 1 is a Canvas assignment for you to look at. Problem solving, this is all word problems. There's only 2 different types of word problems that we're going to consider, and they're very, very similar. So when you're solving them, look for similarities and try to use those similarities to help you to figure out how to go about solving the problems. And there are examples in here that I solve for you and videos of me solving them to help you with figuring those out. And then solving inequalities, and again, things you're going to need to know in the future, interval notation, set builder notation. So take the time to learn this material. This is a challenging week. I'm available to help you anytime I'm on campus, in office hours, or when I'm in the math lab, or by appointment. We can meet virtually online. All you got to do is reach out. All right, let me know if you have any questions.